This is a video about grow lights. These grow lights are LED and they come on a strip. They just stick to whatever you want to stick them to. I made this frame for growing anything I want to in house or start plants off with. But I realised after some time that this tray needs to be here at the beginning and then drop down. So what I decided to do is make a similar thing to a scissor lift to lift it up to hold the thing in its place, and this is how I did it. It will be easier to explain if I just show you what's here. I've got two pegs here, two pegs here, and these pegs move along these holes like so. 3 holes in each side, and the idea then is to put something in between them to hold the pot up. So this is what I came up with. This is the idea. So as them pegs are as close to the centre as they are, it means that this is as high as it is. So by moving them pegs outwards, I can drop the box down. So at the centre position of the pegs, it's not all the way down. It's not all the way up either. But what you can do is you can like just move one peg, well, two pegs on one side, which it gets it lower and lower and lower until eventually you get down to bottom. But for this demonstration, I'm just moving them all the four just to show you what it does. This is the bottom position with pegs all the way out. As I said, there is another 3 positions on it, but it's just to give you a rough idea. Once you've got to this sort of position, most plants won't grow much higher than that towards them lights, but if they do, you can just take it out. So eventually it's right down at the bottom. Accompanying this video, I will be making another video that shows you a table that is maybe, I think it's about maybe 2 meters long with these LED lights. Also, they will also have white light as well. This set of lights has got blue and it's got red, but the others have got white, which you can use white LED lights of course, but the blue and the red are a lot better. But that's a little thing that I made just to put a few things in to get things going.